What I find particularly interesting about the USDT dominance chart is that on the monthly time frame right here, ladies and gentlemen, I want to make this clear. I'm not saying that we are going to crash or anything like that. I want you to see this and perhaps let me know what you think in the comments. When we look at the stochastic, we will see that back here, this was December of 2017, the stochastic RSI of this dominance chart was in the undervalued right here. The USDT dominance rallied by over 600% from there. It happened here as well, and USDT rallied by over 349%. It also happened even here, and USDT also rallied by somewhere around 186%. It happened here, and USDT rallied by over 287%. So we are taking it from the bottom and to where the stochastic hit its top right here, yes, to get the percentage increase. It also happened even here, and USDT rallied by 19%. Now, we are currently at the exact same region, and this is where I have a problem. If we go to the BTC chart and look for every time that USDT dominance was here, corresponding to the BTC chart, so you'll see 2017 right here, December, and here, BTC crashed by 81%. Here, starting from 1st July 2019, well, BTC also crashed by about 71%. Here was 1st May of 2021, which is this one right here. BTC crashed by about 55%. Even here, 1st of December 2021, BTC now plummeted by 77%. You'd call this the bear market, yes? But I want that we remove this idea of bear market, bull market. These are made-up terms. Let us look at the charts exactly as they are, and we forget about the terms used on media to confuse retail. Even these colors are meant to confuse retail. They seem easy to interpret, but they don't have the best intentions behind them. Anyway, so even here, this 19% move right here, which corresponds to 1st of May 2023, BTC later plummeted by 21%. My problem is that we are in the same type of situation now. Yeah, that's my problem basically. If we go to the weekly time frame, we will see a bullish divergence. So you see this low right here, and you have a low here, which is lower than this one, yes? But we are not having the same thing on the indicator. We are actually having an equal low on the indicator. So that's a bullish divergence on the weekly time frame. Now, I don't know when that might reverse, but yeah, it's a problem, because if you use the same technique on BTC or on crypto, it's actually what I would use to tell you guys that, hey, I think we are going to rally. So basically, my problem with USDT dominance is we are seeing some signs of, a potential move back to the upside, and I don't know how long we will have this rally on Bitcoin and crypto generally before USDT finally takes off, because it's just a matter of time when you are seeing the indicators like this. Even here on the daily time frame, we are seeing the exact same thing. If we go to BTC daily, this is also a bearish divergence right here on the stochastic indicator. When Bitcoin was at 25k and I was on the idea that we are going to go past 25, we saw this bullish divergence right here. So you see a low right here and a lower low to this low, but we have an equal low on the indicator, then price moved to the upside, yes? So it's kind of the same thing that we are seeing with USDT dominance instead. Yeah, that's what we are seeing here, meaning that I could also be on the idea that USDT dominance goes to the upside. Well, the only way that USDT dominance will go to the upside is if crypto, or say volatile crypto assets, will be sold for the USDT stablecoin. The only other way is if, there is some, crazy thing on the horizon about USDT, and insiders are basically selling their USDT for crypto in fears of something that will happen later pertaining to USDT, specifically the stablecoin. If we go here on the monthly time frame, I know that the markets are now very bullish. Everybody is bullish. Everybody is calling calling for higher highs and higher lows and stuff. Everybody is on the idea that we go back to the all-time high, we go to 100K. Some are even calling for 400K. But what I keep asking myself is, how do we go there, when this looks like this? Yeah, because this to me is a serious concern. It's a real concern. So the only other way that we can continue to the upside on crypto, and this was a case that I was making earlier, is that we actually go as low as this ascending trend line would denote, because we did break that ascending trend line right here. If we inverse that, we would see that as a breakout as well. Yeah, so that could be a reason why we continue to go to the upside right here on the inverted chart, which will mean a rally on crypto. But still, I would expect something like this with an overvalued stochastic to be sure that it will actually dump. So I would not be surprised if, I don't know when, but I would not be surprised if we just wake up someday and this whole rally thing was reversed and we are back in some type of, trench. Yeah, I would not be surprised. So basically, this is my reason for being super cautious about USDT dominance. But so long as I keep seeing these bullish divergences on this dominance chart like so, and even here on the RSI, this is the regular RSI, when you see it so oversold like so, well, that's a problem. That's a problem for crypto, because, well, it can't just take off at any moment. This denotes euphoria for crypto. It means that crypto investors are super euphoric. Yeah, everybody right now is saying, okay. I even saw a post on Twitter of this guy Plan B guy, who said there's a chance BTC never ever goes below 40K again. And I just quoted the post by saying that time will tell. And really, time will tell, because to be honest with you, these things that I show you now, these the stochastic and stuff, we might be on the idea that, well, BlackRock is here, they are buying BTC with the ETFs and stuff, but really, these charts don't lie. Something in the lines of this happening here, yeah, that would be good for it. But even with this, what I would use as the confluence for this is an overvalued stochastic, and it's clearly not overvalued. It's actually in a bullish divergence right there. So yeah, that's basically why I have I've been talking about problems with USDT dominance. I would like to hear what you guys think about it though. I will be preparing my LRC video very soon, and we will look at its technicals in that video as well. But just for a quick note right here, the LRC chart did go below this zone right here. The idea was that if it didn't go below this zone right here, then we could call this the second wave, and therefore we will expect a third wave. Now, it does not mean it will not go up. It will most possibly still go up, but we simply do not have the right analysis to suggest that it will be doing a 40x, because the third wave cannot come from a second wave that has already taken this bottom. So we simply cannot call this the second wave. The rule is that this second move must not go below this one, like must not. It can still go up, it can still go crazily up actually, but the idea of it going for the third wave in the Elliott wave structure is already invalidated. So I will make my video about it, and I will let you know what I think about it currently and what would be the right play with it. I'm still holding it though. I think there are some gains to be made right there, but the idea of the 40x gain is cancelled. Yesterday I sent you this chart right here on Twitter and Telegram and Discord, and we actually have an ascending channel on BTC right here, and it's hit its resistance up here. So we will see what's going on with this. I will make another video to update on my intraday thoughts on BTC. Basically, yes, those were my concerns with USDT. It's all about the fact that USDT is having some bullish divergences on its very high time frames, divergences and oversold oscillators that would usually make me bullish. But yeah, let me know what you think about it, and I will see you in the next video. But until then, stay safe.